So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and use Zelle with Bank of America. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, I would like you to simply go ahead and open the Bank of America mobile application and log into it. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Pay and Transfer on the bottom, as you can see. And then there's going to be this Pay with Zelle option on the top right over here. Click on that. And once you've clicked on this option, simply go ahead and follow the prompts to enroll by entering your US mobile number or your email and then verifying with a one-time code. Simply go ahead and click on the pay button, and then you can simply add a recipient and then send the amount. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.